This tutorial shows you how to make text easier to read by increasing its contrast against the background. First, open the Settings app on your device. After that, tap on Accessibility. From there, tap on Visibility Enhancements. At this point, look for high contrast fonts and toggle it on. In the next step, this makes text appear bolder and adds a background outline for better readability across most apps. Following this, if you'd also like to adjust font size and style, tap on Font Size and Style from this same accessibility menu. Once done, drag the slider to increase text size or choose a bolder font style from the list. From here, exit back to your home screen to see the changes applied. At this stage, check a few apps like Messages or Settings to confirm the text now appears clearer and more readable. Keep in mind, high contrast fonts may not apply the same way inside every third-party app, since some apps use their own custom text styling. Finally, adjust these settings anytime from the same accessibility menu if you want to fine-tune the contrast further. And that's it. If this guide helped you customize text contrast on Samsung, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.